It runs fine in the morning, then bam, you are stranded by noon. You're not crazy. Your golf cart is losing power halfway through the day for a reason, and it's almost never just a bad battery. The number one culprit is a phantom power drain, that little key switch. Or leaving the radio or headlights on overnight. They're slowly, quietly eating your charge. Always check everything's off, especially if you have a newer lithium pack or an older lead acid one that's already stressed. And trust me on this one. Here's the hidden secret. Your charger is lying to you. If you unplug early or interrupt the cycle, your batteries never hit full capacity. It's like only filling your gas tank halfway. That's why you get half a day off power and a long walk home. Stop ignoring temperature trouble, especially in the summer. Heat makes the chemical reaction drain faster, but the efficiency plummets. In simple terms, hot days equals weak cart, stored and charged in the shade whenever possible to avoid paying the heat tax. So, next time your car leaves you stranded, triple check these three things. Kill the accessories, finish that full charge cycle, and cool down your battery pack. Keep this in check, and your car will go in distance every single time.